Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Shatira Shafa and I'm from Group Discussion 3, and today we are going to explain and present about our findings and research at Pasar Kiara Condong on the topics of patron-client relationship at the Meat Market Division. So first, for some background, on Thursday, May 2nd, our group, Evan, Shatir, me, Jessica, Anna, Zefa, and Rafa visited Pasar Kiara Condong to observe and learn more about the meat market section. We divided into three smaller groups to interview different meat sellers. Starting our research around 8 a.m., we begin by asking the meat sellers about the prices of the meat they were offering, and purchased some of their products as a gesture of respect to initiate conversations. After making our purchases, we asked the seller a series of questions about their roles in the market, focusing on the patron-client dynamics. We then concluded our interviews around 9:30 a.m. and then regrouped to discuss each seller's role and the overall market environment. This report summarizes our finding from the day's observation and interviews. Next will be explained by my friend Jessica.
Based on the interview we have conducted on Thursday, here's the patron-client social network graphic. The first one is suppliers and the meat sellers. The suppliers are the patron for the meat sellers because they processing the resources or opportunities that the sellers desire. That could be providing the raw material that the seller need to conduct their business. Meanwhile, the seller play the role as a client because the sellers rely on the suppliers for the business resources. And the next part will be presented by Anna.
Next is relationship between customers and sellers. In this relationship, customer hold the position of the patron because customer have the power to purchase and choose between different sellers, and the sellers is the client because sellers depend on the customers. Next slide is relationship between local government and sellers. In this relationship, the government plays a positive role as a patron because government control the Kiara Condong market activity. Government status is above the sellers, so the sellers as a client are able to conduct their business in the Kiara Condong market.
Next one is seller to seller relationships. These relationships is between sellers are equal. They are involved in a cooperation and competitive environment with a mutual interest to maintain the market ecosystem. Then, what kind of capital? So the first one is supplier to seller relationships. In these relationships, the supplier acts as a patron to the seller because the supplier provides socioeconomic capital that is essential for the seller's success. This capital includes the meat products the seller needs to operate their business. Without these products, the seller cannot meet customer demand. Over time, the relationship is strengthened through the trust and mutual respect, leading to smoother transaction and long-term partnerships.
Thank you, Evan. Aside from supplier to seller, we have customer to supplier relationship. In this type of relationship, the customer acts as the patron, as the seller is dependent on them to gain additional capital by them purchasing the products. And with the help of the customer's purchases, the seller is able to sustain their business further along the line. With that said, socio-capital is established through the seller's efforts in building strong relationships. This creates economic advantages for the customer, as well as fostering a positive purchasing environment that could lead to long-term loyalty.
The government social capital is built on sellers' reliance on licenses granted by local authorities to operate legally. Sellers leverage personal connections and political affiliations within local governments to secure these licenses. Understanding the importance for establishing businesses and engaging in commerce. This dynamic underscores the intricate interplay between regulatory processes and socio-political relationships, shaping the landscape of entrepreneurship and economic activity. So, that's all from us, who are conducted an interview to the meat market in Pasar Kiara Condong. Thank you for listening and goodbye.